What's good? What's good? Your boy Pharaoh VFB on the Operation See the World mission. Just came down here to the beach. About to see what this look like. Still got Butterfly Mommy with me. Walking down these narrow streets. Let's see what we can see when we get up here to this water. Oh yeah. And the vendors are just everywhere. He's doing corn. He was vending corn. Look, another. They stay prayed up. Another work day, you can come and give yourself give a Buddhist offering. That's what they're for. You can come there and give pomegranate juice. Oh yeah. All right. Now we in the cut. Okay. Mommy getting some pomegranate juice. I don't, but that's good. Go ahead, get some. Right. We want to cross and go up in here. Let's cross this crazy street real quick. All right. We done made it over here to the beach. Let's see what it do. They got a bunch of eateries over here too, right on the beach. Let's see what it do. Come up here, Q. Patong Beach. Hello. We just ate. Yeah. No, thank you. What's happening, man? Let's see. No, I'm good. Jet skis. They say they got the jet ski hustle out here. They say before you ever rent one of these things, inspect it, make sure that thing ain't already busted up and all the stuff. Watch your step here. Susie Q. I'm gonna watch my step too. Water don't look crazy though. Look like you can go put your feet up in there, mommy. Woo. Is it tropical? Yes, it's tropical. With all the amenities right behind you. Shop and drop all you want. With all the, and then the beach right here. Best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. Yes. Patong Beach, I have made it over here to you. I have made it over here to you. Look at it. And I say that not because I've been just trying to get here, and I had a trip planned to come here in 2020 and COVID hit and I had to cancel. And it was a group trip. We were gonna be out here like 20 deep or so. It was gonna be a good fun one. We had to cancel. But now, we done finally made it up out here to Patong Beach. I got my shoes on. So I'm not gonna get in just yet today. Maybe I might come back out here tonight though. But I thought the water would be much crazier being that it's been raining and storming. I wouldn't go swimming in this, but you can go in there and still wade around. Oh, look at that. Up and away. Up and away. It's humid out here, so I hope it ain't all fogging up. But it's humid out here.
Feels good.
Water feels good? I know it does. Nice and warm. I know it does. See, was that a long walk? No, right down the street. Right down the street. Perfect. Perfect. Come on, let's walk the beach. You wanna go? You wanna go to the right or you wanna go to the left? Mommy's choice. Mommy say to the left. Pon the left hand side. Pas de Dutch pon the, yeah. Pon the left. We'll go that way another day. Or another time.
Oh, you know what? I got we can sit down if you want.
Well, we can sit down. Ah, you got. Sure can.
The original Thailand
Yep.
store.
Let's go. Walking this beach. Nice out here. They out there jet skiing. Schmobbing. He's schmobbing that jet ski too. He's schmobbing that jet ski. The parasailing. I don't know if y'all can see it up in there like that.
It's a nice beach. Clean.
Clean, and this sand is soft, and I got shoes on, but I can feel.
Sand is real soft.
I can feel it under my feet. That it's soft. And people say this ain't the best beach we're about to see while we're out here. You feel me? But and it's off season. It's not hella crowded out here.
Yeah.
Because I bet you there's a couple of cuts. This beach is big enough. I know a couple of cut areas too. But yeah, they say this ain't even the best beach we're gonna see. But it is nice. It's not raining. And honestly, without the rain, this is what Jamaica be looking like when we go to Reggae Sunfest, because it's hurricane season in July when we always go to Reggae Sunfest, which would be about this time right now. The dude is just hanging on though. You hear about it, but it's crazy when you see it. Ride out, bro. I want to see him land.
Somebody's gonna catch him.
You think so? Reel him in, huh? You would think at least.
He landed on his feet. What's behind that? He got no help. He landed on his feet.
Yeah. And look, they're all hanging. They're not strapped in or harnessed into nothing.
I think.
No, the people that are working. Like
Oh.
if we were riding, yeah, we're locked in and sitting on the seat and all of that. But the dude that's behind being the pilot, the tide,
He's kind of hanging on.
yeah, he just hangs on. That's sick. I gotta give it to him. That's kind of tight. That's kind of tight. Surfing.
Give him 1 second.
Patong Beach. Yeah, you can tell it's low season. There's people out here. It's not dead out here, but I would imagine, and I've seen like, high season is probably turned up way even more. But it's not dead out here. There's some music going on up there. That sounds like a party up that way. Oh, is this the beach club? I think that is the beach club. The free beach club? Let's go look at it. Kudo Beach. Gotta be. They're bumping music. Look, they got restaurants and eateries right on the beach too. All right, Thailand, y'all set up nice. I give y'all props. I give y'all props. Yep. Yep. That stuff is everywhere. I'm not even trying to get it, and it's everywhere. Oh, this is the little beach club. Let's see what they do up in here. Fell into this beach club. Sound like they got a little techno DJ over there. Let's see what this place do. You like this place? Mm-hmm. Right off the beach. Yeah, I guess we're gonna see if we like it.
Right.
We'll see how the drink is. That's what we'll see if we like it. Yep. Let's go.
Thank you.
How is it?
Try it. It's a little tart.
A little tart?
I don't know if it's gonna like.
It's tart because it's fresh mango. Yeah. It's real mango. That's probably why. You know what I mean? Yay, yay. This girl here. They over there blowing some hookah down. Getting their hookah on. I wonder if they got a bathroom up here at Kudo Beach, the bar. And I believe this is a hostel or a hotel too. Part of it at least. You got a cold, nice mug. We've been over here tripping off these hang gliders. She tripping off these dudes holding the hang glide in the air. That boat, the orange boat? Yeah. One of those speed demon boats. House is up there on the hill. House is on the hill. They have a great view. A great view. Come out here and get you a chair. Somebody is over there. I didn't want to get a massage, but they're getting a massage on the beach. All right, now the breeze kicked back in. I can feel it. Breeze kicks back in. What is that boat? They're over there waving and rocking, walking and waving. Keep it moving. What is this all up over here? Huh? Man. See, I smell nicotine right there. Somebody was smoking this here. 200 baht for what's this? Oh, for the chair. That's not bad. For the chair and for the, that's cheaper than what we did in Spain, huh? For the chair and umbrella? That's a good price. Hello. For when we come down here and get the chair and all of that good stuff. Oh, they got a workout area over here too at the beach. Oh no. Yep, we can go up there. Look at these dudes coming in. How much is this stuff? Just so you have an idea of what it costs. 2 G's for the jet ski. And just remember, the jet ski, man, they got the hustle. And there it go. There it is, the Patong Beach sign for Walking Street. That's the party street, Susie Q.
That's the party street.
That is the party street.
That's the one.
We'll go check that out sooner or later. All right.
I want a picture of this.
In front of it? Yep. Patong Beach. Oh, she was talking about this. The Patong Beach sign. Yep. Be careful, slippery.
You're gonna be in my vision.
Yeah, he wants to be. That's why he posted up there so he could be in everybody's picture. Patong Beach, Walking Street. We're gonna hit that up another time now. Or you want to go back to the hotel? What you want to do? Walking Street. Shop till you drop. I need a Cameroon soccer jersey. Now that if I do run across a Cameroon soccer jersey, now I'm looking to see what I can fluke up on. All right, so we made it here, and it's daytime, so it ain't as hyped as it's gonna be. I'll come back and do a proper night walk video. I'll come back and do a proper nighttime video, but it already looks like it's starting to get going. But I definitely, he done reeled her in. Got her shopping. You cuties.
You were smart.
All right.
You said, excuse me, miss.
All right.
Some teller here, boss.
Thanks. He just. All right. Don't let nobody get up on you and do a pickpocket. Stay with me. Yep, this is the street though. This is daytime though. This is gonna go up a whole another level. You better not be honking on the street that's called Walking Street. We're over here honking. This must be somebody VIP. Right. How you honking on a street called Walking Street? You know how y'all rolling through. Like I say, it must be somebody. But yeah, this street is about to go up at nighttime. It's gonna go to a whole dusk till dawn. Ain't that a movie? I mean, you don't want to be there then. Everybody gonna turn into a vampire. Ain't that what happened in that movie, Dusk Till Dawn? Everybody turned into a vampire. Kangaroo born. Jack Daniels. Yeah, we definitely coming back here at nighttime though, when it turns up. When it turns up. Well, let's see. What's cracking in there?
Red lady.
Red lady. That look like some old ladies in that one. They jamming up in there though. Have some music playing. What they smoking on? See, even the Muslims is going down the street of debauchery.
Radio bar.
Radio, boy. Radio. These little side streets.
Radio bar.
These little. Yeah. Nah, this is a party block. This is the party block. Okay. This is the party block. And the side streets. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna come out here at nighttime. They just now starting to set up. Look, she putting tables out like up. Let me get ready. It is Friday night. They like, let's start getting ready for what's about to go down. I guess that's why these last bit of cars is driving over here while they can. Because in a minute, everybody's selling braids. That's the second time I didn't seen braids being sold. Oop, my bad, Q. What type of food is that? That would have grossed ISIS out. That's the stuff ISIS was. Oh, look at here. See, that's street food, Q. Hold on.
Yeah,
That's that street food right there. What they boiling? What's in there? Crab?
chicken. It looks like
What's boiling?
it's like chicken.
Is that chicken feet?
Again?
Wings. Street food. Street food. The street food. You know, this price looks like it's gonna be popping when it gets dark. That place looks like it's gonna be cool when it gets dark. I know, yeah, we're gonna have to go check that out. I know. You go there, they're gonna be dancing on the tables and all types of craziness.
I bet.
Well, we're gonna go check it out. See what we can see. While we're here, we might as well peep it. Sugar Club. Yeah, that's one of the best clubs out here. That club, and then there's another one. Ah, thank you. Thank you. What's this? Yeah, he said he said $100 too. You heard him?
Yeah, but that one guy, he was like, let me show you my quality.
Yeah. But I'm just saying, you got to compare the prices in here. All right, that's the going rate. Let me get one for 75 then.
I'll show you the wrong one.
Alright. Yeah, that's Walking Street. But that's early. We'll have to come out. Let's go this way. Actually, let's cross the street and then... Yeah, let's go over here. Yep. This spot look like it's cool too. It's gonna be cool too when it's nighttime. That look like it's gonna be cool when it's nighttime. Some more. These some big sun hats. All right. Oh, the purses. Checking out the handbags. I like Patong. Ain't been out here long, but it's interesting. Lots of walk around. This place looks popular to eat at. What their prices look like. Barbecue dishes, because they are popular. They are a popular place. Our hotel, right up around the corner. More street food. How's that pomegranate juice compared to the other one? Coconut cream. Massage spots. Definitely got to do that. Hello, hello. Oh, they're shooting. I want to do that. I'll come back. I want to shoot. I want to shoot. That would be fun to do. I can't front. That would be fun to do. Eventually we gotta cross up the street here. Another popular place. Excuse me. What spot is this? Oh. I tell you, everywhere you go, you seeing that. Oh, what's this spot? What is this? Like a little bazaar. You wanna just go see to see? Oh, this is where the gun shooting this thing is at. This is where the gun shooting is at. Looks like we ran up across a little market. Looked like we ran across a little market or something. The things you find when you're stumbling and walking. The things you find. Mm-hmm. The elephant pants.
How much? 250. 250. Yeah.
250? Mm-hmm. That's good. I like that right there. That's tight. I've seen these bowls a couple of times now too. These bowls are nice. Some of the crafts, trinkets and whatnot. He's got some cool stuff. He's got some cool stuff.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have size? How much are your jerseys? That one 400 baht, ma'am. 400 baht
Yeah.
for the jersey.
Basketball, yeah. I give you 350.
It's not.
What size you want, ma'am?
Thank you.
Keep going up, up.
No, she's.
No.
She just said 300.
Just have a little something.
That was a cool little stroll to the beach, though. I like the architecture over here in this neighborhood. Back in the Royal Paradise Hotel and Spa Complex. That's what this whole area is called over here. Royal Spa. Or the Royal Inn, or excuse me, the Royal Paradise Hotel and Spa Complex. So you got all of this stuff surrounded around the hotel. And as you saw, it was gated to get in. But we head back up to this room, maybe get in the pool or something and relax. Pool time? pool time. This dude always likes pool time. All right. Once again, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Operation See the World, Phuket, Thailand. Holla at your boy.